define greatest, write with me, define greatest integer function. Greatest integer function. Draw graph of it. Draw graph of it. Okay. Also write its domain, codomain and range. Domain, codomain and range. First definition. A function f from R to R. Okay, again say a function f from R to R, which gives a function f from R to R, which gives always integer value. Okay, integer values, but less or equal to input value. Okay, this is a simple definition. A function f from R to R which gives always integer values but less or equals to input values. Highlight here. Answer always integer. Integer first. Answer always integer, and that integer less or equal. Less than allowed, equal to allowed, but greater than not allowed. Less or equals to input values. Okay, how it is denoted by? Also denoted by this symbol, box X. Okay. So if I ask you some values or some observations, if I do here, can you tell me what is the answer of 1.5? Greatest integer of 1.5. Then you will note it is the greatest integer of 1.5. It means answer always integer first of all, and secondly either less or equals to input. What is input here? 1.5. 1.5 suppose here. Then before, after that, what is the integer? +2. And before its integer is 1. So it means answer always integer, but less than or equals to the given input value. It means either answer 2 or 1, but if you're giving 2 answer, then it is greater than input value. If you're giving answer is 2, it means you are giving answer greater than the input, but greater than input not allowed. Less than allowed, equal allowed. It means answer is +1. Okay, answer is +1. It means you have to give just before integer. Okay, just before integer of input value. So similarly, if I ask you what is this value? 2.5. Then answer is 2. Because answer always integer. So 2.5 is 2. Okay. Now if I ask you what is -1.5? -1. -1 is not greater than -1.5. If you are writing -1, it means you are saying this -1 is greater than input value, but greater than not allowed. Which is greater number? -1 or -1.5? -1. Yes. So -1 is not allowed. It means this time answer is -2. Okay. -2. Okay. So if I ask you what is -2.5, then -3. And reason is because if you give answer -2, then it is greater integer, greater than the input, but greater than input not allowed. Just before whatever input, see what is the integer just before this. Okay, this is in case of non-integer values, non-integer input, but input is itself integer. For example, if I ask what is greatest integer of 1, equal allowed na, less or equal, so answer is 1. If I ask what is greatest integer of 2, 1, 2. If I ask what is greatest integer of -3, minus 3. Equal allowed, but greater integer not allowed. Either less integer or equal integer. But less, it not like you are giving minus 1.5, you are giving 0. Just whatever the input. See what is the integer just before. In case of non-integer input. Okay, this 99.99. This is non-integer input. This is non-integer input. Okay, so what is the integer just before 99.9? 99. It means your answer is 99. And if I ask minus 99.98, then what is the integer just before minus 99.9? Minus 100. Okay, minus 100. So here minus 100. So do you understand how this greatest integer will behave? Yes. After that, now can you tell me what is domain, students? Domain? R. Because in the function, first given set is domain. What is first given set? R. So domain is R. Okay, codomain. Okay, then range. Range. Are you taking these only answers? Every integer is allowed. Every integer. Minus 1, 0, plus 1, minus 2, plus 3, minus 3, plus 4, minus 4. Every integer is allowed. Okay, it means the range itself, the complete Z integer. Every integer is allowed. Range is Z, set of integers. Every integer is allowed. I have given few examples only, few. It is not possible to write all examples because there are infinite integers. Which answer you want? You want minus 5? You want minus 5? I will say minus 5.5. If you want 100 answer, I will say okay, 100.1. What is the answer? 100. It means every integer, this greatest integer will give every possible integer. So that's why the range of greatest integer function is Z. Remember, very important this is. It is an integer function, that's why range is integer. Okay. It has some other names also. We can also call this name step function. Noted. Then I will make the graph. Definition over. And domain, codomain, range over. Still graph is pending. So let's make the graph of it. Graph. Where is minus 1, where is plus 1, that type. Okay. So this is x-axis. And this is y-axis. This is origin. It means 0. Okay. Then divide. Suppose it is plus 1 and it is same 2, 3, 4. Okay. Minus 1 and minus 2, minus 3. Okay. Here minus 1 this is, and this is minus 2, minus 3. Plus 1, plus 2, plus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay. Now, students, whenever input value, this input value greater or equals to 0 but less than 1, what is answer? Whenever input value greater or equals to 0 but exactly less than 1, answer is always going to be 0. You can think, if you put 0, answer is 0. 0.5, 0. 0.6, 0. 0.99, 0. But whenever answer is 1, exactly 1, then input is 1. Okay. But again from 1 to 2, answer is 1. 1.1, 1 answer. 1.3, 1. 1.5, again. 1.99, 1. Whenever exactly 2, then it will start giving 2 answer. Okay. So whenever x from 2 to 3, close to 2, open 3, then answer is exactly 2. So that I will follow. From 0 to 1, close 0 to 1, answer is 0 coming. Answer is 0 coming. It implies this answer. And whenever whenever x value exactly 1, answer is plus 1. It means here. Correct? and from 1 to 2, it is giving only answer 1. It means this 2 up to here, answer is exactly 1. Then whenever exactly 2, answer is 2, but 2 is this. It means, and I think you remember, whenever I'm making this dark or bold point, it means this point is included, and this circle type means excluded. Remember in the sets. So from 2 to 3, it is like this. Again, open. Okay. Then whenever 3, exactly 3 giving. So 3 is exactly here. And then up to 4. Then again 4, it will go up like this. Then again 4, then here. And again up to 5, open. And before that here, same, open and close. And whenever, now can you tell me, whenever x minus 1 to 0, then what is the answer? Minus 1. It implies, now this graph is like this. Okay. Here. Okay. And then again this open. This is minus 1, minus 2. Okay. Then here open, minus 3. So see students, it is like step. Okay, tracking type, tracking. First step, second step, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, this first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. That's why this function also called as step function. Okay, this is also called as step function. Okay, so it is graph of step function. I'll write. Okay, step function, because another name is step function, or you can also write GIF. Greatest integer function. G for greatest, I for integer, F for function. Graph of GIF. Okay. Make this on a separate page. Okay. This is here. In fact, you have to observe the pattern. If you see in the graph, always it's right hand side coming circle type. Right hand side. Can you see it? Coming na? Right hand side circle type. And always this left hand side coming this bold type. Okay. Let me erase this one. If you want to extend the graph, then how will you extend again? Again, it will be like this, then this, correct? And then this. You want to make more steps, then you will do like this, then you will do again. It is okay. Circle this again here, this like okay, step.